What's up, man? It's your favorite chef, and we're going to walk you through this ground turkey and spinach lasagna. So as you can see, I'm adding my lasagna pasta into the water. We let it boil till it's al dente. We pulled it out, and now as you can see, I'm chopping my onion. So we're going to take half of this onion, we're going to chop it up, and we're going to put it to the side, and it's going to be for the sauce. So now we're going to get started on our bell pepper. We're going to take our bell pepper, push it down, and while you're pushing it down, you want to take your knife and just roll it through. It makes it very simple. So now we're just going to take our bell pepper and we're going to small dice that as well. So now we're on to our garlic. We're going to slice it the same way we did our onion, and we're going to start to mince our garlic. Now we're going to start on the filling. So we're going to take some ricotta cheese, some Boursin cheese, and some Parmesan, and we're going to mix that all together. So now we're going to start with the base of our sauce, which includes the white onion and the green bell pepper. Now we're going to add in our ground turkey. You want to take you a spatula. In this case, I was being a little ghetto and I had a spoon, but it's okay. Now we're going to add our seasonings into the mixture, just so that, you know, that your ground turkey is flavored. I have some homemade sauce here, but you can use any sauce that you would like. You go ahead and add that into the ground turkey mixture. During this process, we also added some spinach as well. Adding the spinach is just a smooth way to just add some veggies into the dish. So after you've started with your first layer of sauce, you want to go ahead and add your lasagna noodles in, and then your ricotta mixture. Once you add your ricotta mixture, you want to add the cheese on top. You can mix the cheese or put the cheese in there, you know, one flavor at a time. So after this, you just start the process all over again, and you just layer it until you're done. Ooh, that bit barely get out. Y'all hear that? Lasagna is ready.
That's what we've been waiting for!
So you really want to wait at least 10 to 15 minutes after you pull your lasagna out. Anybody who eat lasagna just know the sauce is thicker. It's richer. And, you know, I had a weak cheese pull because I'm lactose intolerant, and I couldn't put all that cheese in there. But I updated the recipe just so y'all can have that sexy cheese pull that y'all want at y'all home. Look at them manicured nails, but don't play with me.